All right, my people. So for the past few days, it has been a tug of war between very dark black man and B-Lord. Now, the issue started from when B-Lord, sampled or wanted to market an iPhone XR that was upgraded to iPhone 17 Pro Max. So the price he fixed it was 480,000 naira. Now, luckily or funny enough, Very Dark Man was already in China, so he happened to have access to the same phone, and he said that the price is 280,000 naira. And he's not asking, why is B-Lord selling his for 480,000 naira? Now, here is the thing. I'm not against B-Lord, nor am I against Very Dark Black Man, but I want to draw an inference from what is happening between them in regards to fashion designing. Now, there's what they call brand identity. Now, most people patronize certain brands not because they don't know where to get it cheaper from other people, but they want to associate themselves with that particular brand at that point in time, right? Just for example, let's bring into fashion designing. Now, a tailor that is in Abuja or Lagos or Island Island, right, might be making a shirt for 50K. Now, people in Island or that particular area, they will patronize him, but it doesn't mean that they don't know where to get that particular shirt for a lesser price. But that's what they call brand identity. People feel that when something is expensive in economics, it shows quality. People attach quality with costly items or expensive products. So if B-Lord had come to market this same phone for 280,000 naira and Very Dark Man fixed it at 480, people will feel that V-Lord own is fake and Very Dark Man's own is original, right? So for some business persons, for them not to spoil their market, they tend to increase the price to a certain extent. Now, let's also break it down more to top brands in fashion designing like Sheyi Vodi and your Make Casual. Now, Sheyi Vodi can make an outfit for 1 million naira. A regular senator that is Kashmir, he can make it for 1 million naira. You and I know that Kashmir fabrics for the Kashmir 300 is being sold for 21,000 naira per yard. And the number of yards averagely can use is 4 yards to make an outfit. Okay, let's assume he did monogram. You and I know that monogram can cost as costly as, let's say, 100,000 naira. Let's assume 100,000 naira. Now, if you put this into totals, if you total these four prices and you pay the best tailor, let's assume you are paying 100,000 naira for making that particular outfit. In a nutshell, there will be no time that these clothes will be worth more than 500,000 naira. But your Make Casual or Sheyi Vodi might sell a simple Kashmir 300 outfit for 1 million naira plus, or even more than that. I have overheard him, someone came to make purchases in his office. The total fee he gave was, I think, around 11 million naira or thereabout, and I think it was not much, it was just few clothes. So the thing here is, people tend to attach they feel like attaching themselves to quality things is by how expensive that particular stuff is. Because if you buy something and you bought it cheap, you tend to be carefree about it. Even iPhone, the main iPhone in question, if you check the actual cost in production, it will not be up to that price that they are selling it. But because iPhone has already created a niche or a what's it called, a brand name, so people tend to give it that luxury feeling, So people sell luxury and people sell goods. Just like Porsche, they are selling luxury. So top brands you see, Gucci, Givenchy, they sell luxury and comfort. You know, it's not necessarily by the particular product they are selling, it's by the name that's attached to it. So I feel B-Lord has gotten to a stage where he felt that his name is a part of luxury, and that is why the price is at that price. I'm not trying to justify what he did, right? I'm not also trying to nullify what that man is doing, but I'm trying to reason it from another perspective. So, as a designer, what has this got to show to you? You need to build your brand. You need to build your empire. You need to build your craft so that people will start seeing your brand as luxury. Because if you don't build your brand over these years, people will still be seeing you as a regular brand out there. Some persons will even see you like a regular roadside teller. But when you build your brand, people will start having this luxury feeling. Whenever they want to achieve or get a luxury outfit, they will start thinking and coming towards your brand, right? There are some tellers, some persons, some clients have tellers for different locations. There are some people that if they want to make clothes for burial, they have people that make clothes for them for burial, like local tellers for burial outfits. They have tellers that if they're making for wedding, they go to big brand, Sheyi Vodi, Remy Casual, Vicky James, and the rest of them, right? Now, but if they are going for a regular, indoor house outfit, they can buy anywhere, pick it up online, and pay cheaper prices or cheaper amount. But if they're going for luxury weddings, they go for those big brands, those top shots. It's not as if that those local brands or those lower brands cannot produce something similar or even better, but they feel that everything is attached to luxury. You get? So the brand name is what people are selling these days, and not necessarily the products you have on ground. So having said this, I just want to share my own idea or view about the whole thing. But come to think of it, why will you be selling, or why will we be buying rather, an iPhone Extra for 480,000 naira? It's not as if I'm against it, but value for money. They have newer version of phones currently now. You can buy for lesser amount, cheaper, that still gives you good quality images and videos. Just like the one I am using right here. I am using a Samsung phone, and I did not buy it up to 480,000 naira, but then the quality, as you can see, is as clear enough, bright enough. It has been serving me for the past 3 years plus. I'm almost getting to 4 years using this particular phone. So if you really have love for iPhone, even if you don't want to buy the latest one or the most current one, buy the one that is close to the latest. Don't go and buy an older version that was refurbished or that was upgraded to a newer version. There's a reason why iPhone companies do update their phones, the software updates, camera changes, finishing, and everything is included. So I'm not giving you a green light to go and procure a 480,000 naira phone in this, a refurbished phone in this generation. You just need to know how to use your money. If you want to buy iPhone 17 Pro Max, get the original one. Even if you want to buy it, don't rush it now. The price will still come down. Give it time. Within 6 months, they will do iPhone 18 Pro Max. You can now go and buy 17. I remember when iPhone 5 was talk of the town, we are rushing to get it. And when I got mine was when iPhone has gotten to iPhone 9. I now bought the iPhone 10, iPhone X. I now bought my iPhone 5. I bought it for that time, I think 150k then. 150k then. And I still saw that there was nothing much in the phone. It was just there just because of how portable it was and everything. So I just want to share my piece of, whatever it is. So thanks for watching. See you guys. So just drop your comments, share your ideas. Let me get to hear from you what I said, if it's true. So for fashion designers, let's learn how to build our brand to have luxury attached to it.